Okay. Now this video will show you how to install and remove the middle die. Now we remove the middle die. We need to lose the die screw first. 这样子还送的？
像菜菜啊，菜菜他们那。
Okay, remove the upper punch from this place. We can remove the upper punch. And this place, we use this rod to hit out, to take out the middle die. Okay, this is middle die. Now we will show you how to install back the middle die. We need to remove this part, like this, so the upper punch can, insert into the middle die. Okay. 这个打。Okay. And that's the打进去了。Now we check the upper punch can into middle die freely or not. If no problem, then we lock the die screw. We must lock firmly, tightly. Exactly.
This is good.